Welcome to the short tutorial on how to download the V-TAS app. So on your mobile device, you will go to the Play Store and in the search bar type V-TAS. You'll see our icon or logo there, click that. And this will lead you to this screen. This user has already downloaded the app, so you would have install here where it says open, right up beside uninstall. You'd click the install and very quickly you would have the app on your device. Looks like that. Click the icon and it will lead you to this screen where it asks you to enter the install code that was provided to you. This install code comes from the trucking company or dispatching company that has asked you to download the app. So for test purposes, I'll enter a demonstration install code. You would click register. And now the screen will show the dispatching company right here, their logo, company name, and it's asking for your driver ID and password. This again would be provided to you by the dispatching company. You would enter those here and click login. And that's all there is to downloading the V-TAS app. Thank you.